Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So far we have discussed about different technologies in different videos, right? So in today's video, we will try to understand whenever if we create any item or modified item in the SharePoint list, I want those details in emails. For example, so now you can see this is my SharePoint list. Here we can see the list name. So there are four columns: employee name, employee ID, locations. Okay, so in this list, four columns are. Whenever if I create a new item in this list, I want to get those item details. What is the name of the employee, ID, locations. Even if you try to modify the item also, I want to get the sticker as an email form so that I can understand. Okay, this is the item has been created in the SharePoint list, or this is the item has been modified in the SharePoint list. Okay, let's try to understand how I created the. So first of all, I have taken the trigger as when an item is created or modified. Okay, so this is the trigger from the SharePoint. So basically, in this we need to give the site address and list name. So basically, my site address is self-learning and list name is something. Okay, so after that we need to get the item. So it means that there are two types of actions are there. One is get item, another one is get items. Okay, don't confuse that. Get item is nothing but getting a single item. So when it comes to get items means within the list maybe one item is there 100 items. Okay, it's kind of iterative. It will return the array. Okay, so get item. So here I have to provide a site address, list name, ID. So this ID coming from the previous trigger. Okay. If you place the mouse, so you can understand trigger output body slash ID. Okay. Whatever the ID you have created in the SharePoint list, we are sorry, not SharePoint list. In SharePoint list, we created item, right? That item ID value will capture. Okay. So after that, I have taken two compose actions. From the data operation, there is a compose action. So first one is HTML table format. So basically here, four columns I have taken: employee ID, name, location, salary. For the values I have given, so what are the values I'm getting from this list? I'm giving as a values employee ID, employee name, location, salary. Okay, but here only for we need to specify the column names manner. Okay, maybe future if we create any two more additional columns, again we need to change the here. Okay, so like that I have written that code, but it's okay, no problem. So after that I have added the CSS style format. Okay, so like a header, border, something like that. I have done the CSS style format. So after that, I just put a delay value because whenever if I try to modify the existing item or if I try to create a new item, maybe there are some kind of delays there. So I just make it 30 seconds delay by taking this action. Even if you can increase up to your wish, like month, year, day, hour, minute. These are the units are available based on your convenience. You can take it. Okay. In my case, I have taken default as a 30 seconds. Okay. So after that, I just took the send an email action. So you can see some kind of text. After that, I have added these compose actions. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let's try to understand whether it will work or it will throw error. So test, test. Okay. Now I'll try to create one item. Add a new item. So power apps. So I information. Okay. Employee ID something. Okay. Location. So going to salary is something. Save. Now I have created one item in the SharePoint list. So whatever the item I have created, I need to get that item as an email. Okay. Let's see. Now you can see your flow is running. So basically, I just kept a delay validation action, right? So it's getting running. Yeah, intentionally, I have done this one to showcase that its flow is running, something like that. Okay. Now it's 23. Still it's not. Yeah. Now you can see the email. See, new item are modified at the email notification. Now you can see 134 Venkat Ramesh Guntur. So 45. Okay. Same item we'll try to modify by giving different name. Okay. So whether it will work or not, we'll try to see that. Now you got the email, right? Let's try to rerun one more time. So test. Okay. So now sorry. Now we'll change this item. Edit. So instead of Ramesh, R Ramesh. Okay. Instead of Venkat Ramesh, I have done R Ramesh. Okay. Now you can see the flow. Your flow is running. Now it's working. Let's wait. Still it's loading. I think by this time it will trigger an email. Yeah, that's it. It's done. Now you can see R Ramesh. Okay, R Ramesh. But previous one, so Venkat Ramesh. Now I have changed this item as R Ramesh. So when it means that whenever we create any item or modified item in the list, automatically you are getting an email notification stating that so this is the item you have been created or this is the item you have been modified. So that we get some kind of a confirmation. Okay, so we have done this kind of actions in the SharePoint list or something like that. Okay. So even you can see the flow has been run successfully. So likewise, we can do many more things. Even when the document is created in the SharePoint library, someone is updating something like that. Okay, you can do different kind of scenarios based on user business requirement. Okay, so going forward, we'll try to make it more complicated scenarios so that we will get more power in the order and something like that. So. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe and like this video. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.